If your heart is still beating to the tempo of today's demands, or if your body feels like a tightly wound spring, stay here. I'm Rhea Rivers. By the end of this journey, the invisible static in your nerves will settle, and the quiet will feel like a warm embrace. If this journey helps you recalibrate, consider subscribing. It ensures this sanctuary is always waiting whenever you need to detox from the day. Don't worry about proper breathing. Just feel the air move across your upper lip. As you exhale, imagine the air is a bit heavier, a bit warmer than when it went in. Your body knows how to find its own rhythm. Like the slow drip of condensation on a leaf, steady and sure. Now imagine you are stepping into a vast, ancient glasshouse at midnight. The air inside is thick with the scent of damp moss, blooming jasmine, and warm minerals. You aren't responsible for the growth of these plants tonight. You are the guest. Ahead of you is a shallow thermal spring, its water glowing with a soft subterranean light. Step into the water. It is exactly the temperature of your skin. As you settle into the mineral-rich pool, imagine the water isn't just touching you, it's absorbing the excess heat of your day. Every surge of cortisol, every spike of adrenaline, the water draws it out like a magnet. Repeat softly in your mind, I am safe to uncoil. My alarm system is off. Notice the sound of the rain tapping lightly against the glass roof far above. It's a rhythmic, gentle, percussive song. The glass is thick and unbreakable, and tonight, it filters out every noise from the city and the streets. You are in a sanctuary where the what-ifs cannot breathe. As the water cradles you, feel the chemical buzz in your chest begin to dissolve into the minerals. The ground beneath the pool is steady, and it is holding your entire history without effort. Acknowledge the alertness that protected you today, and tell it, you can sleep now. Repeat quietly, my chemistry is balancing. My system is at rest. Let's scan the body, letting the thermal water do the work. Notice your toes. Let the water flow between them. Let the tension float to the surface. Up through the shins and knees. Imagining the joints opening up like slow-blooming flowers. Softening. Into the thighs and the seat of your spine. Letting the water carry 90% of your weight now. Floating rather than lying. Observe the slow, humid rise of your chest and the long, easy fall. Notice your hands. They have reached for so much today. Let the palms open toward the ceiling. Empty and light. Move to the neck and the base of the skull. The place where we store the hurry. Feel the warm water wash it clean. Finally, the muscles around your eyes. Letting the darkness of the glass house settle behind your lids. Like silk. Every nerve ending is now submerged in peace. The steam rises in slow, lazy curls toward the glass. Your mind is the still, deep center of the pool. Repeat softly. I choose the stillness over the stir. Hear the soft hiss of the thermal pipes. The rustle of a palm frond in the corner. And the silence of the minerals working on your bones. You are being repaired in the dark. Take one more natural breath of the warm jasmine air and let it out like a long, slow secret. The light in the water grows dimmer now as you drift toward the edge of the pool where a bed of soft, dry moss awaits. You are wrapped in the scent of the earth, sheltered, and finally quiet. The glass house holds the night at bay. You drift into the green, into the deep, dreamless dark. This channel is your sanctuary. Whenever the world is too loud, subscribe and return to the Glasshouse Springs.